Welcome to Adventures in Food. I'm Howard Baltazar, and today I'm going to show you how I make Filipino Adobo. Now, Filipino Adobo is a recipe that I've eaten my entire life. Generally, we fix it with either pork or chicken. But there are an infinite number of variations on this recipe. Some households will have you fry the meat and then add it to the sauce and stew it. Some recipes call for the stewing process to be first, and then you take the meat out after it's done and fry it till it's crisp and add it back to the sauce. And then there are recipes like mine where I stew it in the oven and let the oven brown it towards the end. I like to tweak those recipes, and I make little tiny changes. And that's what I'm presenting to you today.
The ingredients that you'll need are very simple. You'll need about 2 pounds of pork shoulder that are cubed in about 1-inch pieces, 4 cloves of garlic that have been sliced, a generous 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of black peppercorns, soy sauce, about 1/3 of a cup of rice vinegar, and about 1/3 of a cup to 1 cup of water. The next thing you'll want to do is to find a heavy bottomed pot with a tight fitting lid. Put your meat into the pot and add your soy sauce and your vinegar. Distribute the seasonings evenly over the meat and then allow the meat to marinate for about an hour. After an hour, you'll want to bring the meat over to the stove and bring it up to a boil. Turn your fire up to high and allow the mixture to come to a boil. Once the mixture is boiling, cover it with a tight-fitting lid and place it in a preheated 250-degree oven for approximately 3 to 3.5 hours, checking the level of moisture every 45 minutes or so. After 45 minutes, I'm checking the level of liquid in the pot, and it seems to be fine. But if it were too low, I would add a little bit of water just to bring it up where it should be. After 3.5 hours, the dish is done. You have the option of thickening it by boiling the juices until they reduce, or thickening with a cornstarch slurry. Whichever way you decide to go, serve this with hot, steaming rice and enjoy.
It really is very simple. So now I'm going to sample this and see how it turned out. The meat is glistening, it's nice and tender and moist. The soy sauce and the vinegar, it just melts in your mouth. It's so flavorful. You need to give it a try. It's really, as I said, it's very simple and very tasty. You just need enough time. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Click on the thumbs up button and leave a comment below if you'd like me to make something else. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.